Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I want to do an unboxing of a new YSL bag I got. I got an amazing steal on this bag. It's just insane how much I saved. I got over 55% off. So it was an insane deal. I'm gonna go over all that and tell you how I shop on luxury brands to get like amazing savings. I never pay retail for any of these things just because I know I can get good deals on them. So gonna go over all that with you. First gonna get into the unboxing and show you all what I got. So yeah, let's get right in the video and let's get started. Here is the box, and here she is in her beautiful dust bag. So clearly she is a little mini, but she is so gorgeous. Okay, so all the padding is making it hard to see right now. Let me take that all off. Here she is. Look at how beautiful this bag is. It's the official name for this is like the Gaby quilted bag. She's so gorgeous. This is so similar to the envelope bag. Oh, look at this beautiful Gaby mini. I love the color. I love the hardware. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This is like a white, but it honestly looks more like a little bit of a cream white or like a gray white than just like a regular white like it said. I guess I need to buckle up the strap real quick, but oh my gosh, she's so pretty. This was an insane deal. I can't wait to tell you all about it. So as you can see here, there's this security tag on it from I think the store that it came from, and I got this from a store called LNCC online. It's actually based in London in the UK, so definitely that's exactly one way to get the best deals on luxury brands that are from Europe. Get them directly from the source, and even sometimes even with import fees and things like that you might think is a hassle, it's just so much more worth it. It's just insane. Here she is, okay, with the strap buckled in. So to go into some details on this bag, this is lambskin leather, so definitely a little more hard to care for, but you can tell the difference in the beautiful puffy quilting, just so luxurious. So much more stunning than calfskin, but definitely harder to take care of. But look at all the quilting detail. You can see how beautiful the craftsmanship is. This gold is still shiny, but it's definitely a little on the brassier side, I think. You can see it on the top. Oh my gosh, it's just such a beautiful combination. It goes so well with what I have on with my like other gold jewelry. So pretty. So this is a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Here it is on the shoulder. She's just gorgeous. And there are a few adjustable holes here, so very versatile. This is about right in the middle. It can go a little bit longer, but let's see. Yeah, even with this strap length in the middle, it's beautiful as a crossbody. I think this is like such a good size. It's perfect for like nighttime. Look at how pretty this is as a crossbody. I'm 5'7", so with the middle strap, it lands right here. But yeah, this is currently available in stores for $2,090, if not $2,190. But after tax, that's about $2,400 for this bag if you get it just regular on Neiman Marcus. I think has it right now. A bunch of department stores have it right now for that price, and with tax in the US, that's how much you're gonna pay if you just got it with no sale at all. I got this from LNCC, the company in the UK, and they're a reputable source. They're on the sites that I always talk about, the cashback sites like Rakuten and Top Cashback. So definitely it's a reputable source. I would never recommend anything that I don't know for sure is authentic, because I am never paying my hard-earned money for non-authentic items. You will not believe how much I paid for this. This was with import duties included, no taxes in addition to that. I paid $11.39 out the door. I can't believe that. That's like, they don't make their bags for that price. Like there's no bag right now, I think, unless it's a clutch, there's no bag from YSL right now really going under $1,000. It's just a steal. It was over half off of the US pricing on this bag. Just so worth it to do like the due diligence and like spend the effort to get the deal. But $11.39 out the door. If it was in the US, it'd be $2,400. So crazy, over half off savings. Again, I always use Rakuten, and Rakuten is the cashback site. When you go through Rakuten, you go into LNCC, for example, where I was shopping this time, and they were having a little sale and like an extra like discount code on top of like all the sale items that day. So definitely subscribe to them and subscribe to get their notifications and emails so you're notified when they have sales. So worth every penny. And yeah, so I went through Rakuten and went in there and just shopped like I normally would, and I got a few percent cash back on that. So even another $20 back or so. So such a good deal. And let me go over some more of the details of the bag. But yeah, in terms of price, I was just so excited I had to share with you ways I save money on my luxury so I can keep affording luxury. Just definitely don't like paying full price for anything. But yeah, so I went over pretty much all the exterior of the bag. There's the pocket back here. Again, very similar to the envelope bag. And the front is the snap closure. And yeah, in terms of the dividers, even very similar to the envelope bag. I have my review on the medium envelope bag too, so I can leave that linked below if you want to watch that. The interior, got the embossed logo in the back, 3 pockets in total, and the one's a center zip pocket, which is nice. Here it is. Also, if you didn't know, when you get YSL bags inside this little pouch with the authenticity heart and things like that, there's also a microfiber cloth in here. And that's so you can wipe the hardware. So don't forget to open this up and take that out and use that. And you got the little like serial number in the middle on the leather tab right there. This is just so nice. All these compartments in here. Makes it a little like harder to put like a big wallet in because like the space is being taken up by the center. But still, this is like, even for a mini bag, this like really fits so much. You can fit like a small size wallet here, but like another little like cosmetic pouch back here. You can put your keys in the middle, so that's easy to grab and just have that in the zipper. I love this so much. It's so pretty and so classy. I know white is a dangerous color, so definitely gonna have to be careful with that. And for the strap right here, it is these little like notches. You cannot remove these. I guess you can tuck this in and use it as a clutch if you want. Yeah, no, you cannot use this as a clutch. So if you're considering the Gaby bag, this is not like something you can turn into a clutch because the strap here, these little knobs are not removable. Just wanted to point that out if you thought this might be a cute mini clutch as well as being like a mini shoulder bag and crossbody. That is not possible with the way that this is built in right here. I feel like that pretty much covered everything. I just wanted to get on here and share with you all what I got, how crazy of a deal it is. I think that recently after I got this, like the black one also went on even better sale than this, but it sold out right away. So again, you have to be quick on these things. I wouldn't even think about it if you see like something like this, like 50% off. Yeah, it's just like such a great savings. And I want to clarify again, like always be careful. For LNCC, you do get the import duties included. It says it right there under the item you're looking at. It says import duties included. I think shipping included. For this one, shipping was included, so definitely check on that. Even if they made me pay $30 for shipping for this, I would totally be fine with that because of the crazy savings. For LNCC specifically, you get those things included. In terms of other European websites, like if you do go and venture on into other European websites, definitely make sure you know about the import duties because there are times where that could just completely like ruin the deal, because if you're only getting like 20-30% off with the import duties that you pay, you could be paying that much in the duties, so it might just completely offset the deal. So with this company, they at least do include the import duties, so you know exactly what you're paying when you check out, which is what I love. I don't like any surprise fees at the end. So again, just wanted to point that out in terms of shopping with European companies like that. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers everything I was going to show you all today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy these type of videos like luxury sales, unboxings, hauls, definitely please consider subscribing to my channel and also hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. But yeah, thanks again for watching this video, everyone. I'll leave links below, including the link to Rakuten to sign up for the cashback. Yeah, thanks again, everyone. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.